Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to download moving wallpaper on Android. Here are the steps to download and apply moving live wallpapers on your Android. First is to open the Google Play Store by tapping the Play Store icon on your home screen. Then hit the search icon in the bottom right. Then hit the search bar. Search for live wallpapers apps. Type keywords like moving wallpapers, live wallpaper, or 4K live backgrounds. Select reputable app. Popular apps include Zedge app, Live Wallpapers 4K, Wallpapers Craft, Live Section, Wallpapers by Google. Check app reviews and ratings. Choose apps with high ratings and positive feedback to ensure quality and safety. Tap Install to download the app. Wait until the installation is complete. Open the Live Wallpaper app. Launch the app directly from the Play Store by tapping Open or your app list. Grant permission. Tap Allow to display current wallpaper. Browse the moving wallpaper collection. Scroll to find live wallpapers and then tap on it. Select a moving wallpaper you like. So I choose a Magic Touch. Tap on it to preview how it looks in motion. Tap Set Wallpaper or Download. Some apps let you apply it directly, others require downloading first. Choose to apply on home screen, lock screen, or both. Confirm where you want the moving wallpaper to appear. Enjoy your moving wallpaper. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.